Hi everyone! Today we are going to create a simple but awesome text number animation. First, create a default Flutter counter app, then create a new file named counterText. Change the class to extend ImplicitlyAnimatedWidget. Add a duration property to the constructor and other required fields. We will need an int_twin object, so initialize it in init state. In the build method, use the twins value evaluated by built-in animation object. Finally, override the forEachTwin method. Now everything is ready. Save your work and use it in the main file.